Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Lexus CT 1.8 200h Sport. Now, this vehicle is a petrol hybrid with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights with halogen high beam, really helping to illuminate the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch 5-ton spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the white exterior colour. Along with privacy glass, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your boot space, where you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Tahara black fabric upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 60,976 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on the Lexus CT 1.8 200h Sport that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.